YouTube video signal script. Hello traders, welcome back to Forex Strategy Factory. Today we are analyzing USDJPY on the H1 time frame, and this is a very important institutional continuation setup you must understand. Today's date for this signal is 12 March 2026. Let's go straight into the market structure. First, we check the trend priority using the Ichimoku scanner H4 signal. On the scanner, we can clearly see that USDJPY is inside a green buy box with an upward arrow and a good-to-go checkmark. This confirms that the higher time frame institutional trend is still bullish. This means our main focus is to trust buy opportunities only. Next, we look at the main chart price behavior. Price is forming strong bullish white candles, pushing higher and creating higher highs. There is no deep retracement or aggressive selling pressure. This tells us that buyers are still in control and the market is in a momentum continuation phase. Now we combine this with the Renko pressure confirmation. On the Renko projection panel, we can see bullish structure with long tails below the bars. This shows buyers are defending lower prices and pushing the market upward. When Renko pressure aligns with the Ichimoku green buy signal, this becomes a high probability continuation entry condition. However, traders must also understand market location. Price is currently approaching a major monthly resistance zone. This means chasing the market at the top is risky. The professional approach here is to wait for a controlled pullback or a clean breakout and retest before entering new buy positions. Now let's define the trading levels based on the current chart structure. The preferred buy entry zone is around 157.80 to 157.90. This is where the market can retrace and provide a safer continuation entry. The protective stop loss should be placed below the structural support at 156.95. This protects the trade from sudden liquidity sweeps or deep pullbacks. The first bullish continuation take profit target is the monthly resistance projection near 158.90. If strong momentum continues and resistance breaks, the extended institutional final target is around 159.80. Now remember your fast exit protection rule. If the market forms two opposite Renko blocks against the trend near resistance, this is a warning sign of momentum exhaustion. In that situation, exit the trade early to protect profits and avoid giving money back to the market. So in summary, the higher time frame trend is bullish, Renko pressure confirms buyers are still active, and the strategy favors buy continuation after a healthy retracement. Trade with discipline, manage your risk, and always wait for structure confirmation before entering. If you want to learn the full step-by-step strategy I personally use, check the link in the description and connect with my trading bot. See you in the next market breakdown. Trade smart and stay consistent. Settings: use only generated clips, use hyper-realistic style.